Ethan!
What's up, Dave?
Are you ready for another warehouse review?
I am. And today we're going to actually be going over the 3350 Advanced Series helmet by Lincoln and the 2450 Advanced Series helmet. Just as a general overview, the 2450 Series Advanced is just the continuation of the flagship from Lincoln. The main feature that you're going to see here is that it has a LED light. And this LED light is also on the 3350 Advance. It is a smart light that will actually shut off when you're welding. This is going to replace the 2450 standard series. You're going to be seeing this a lot more. I think they're going to start phasing out the old 2450. We do still have some available though, if you're interested in that. The 3350 Advanced series, the main features that you're going to see on this is going to be, again, the LED light. And then we have this display back here that is actually going to give us a lot of features. And we'll go over those right now. If you hit menu, you enter the main menu. You've got your Bluetooth on and off. And we've got ARC info. If we go into that, you have different things that you can do with that. You can do ARC time hours. So you could just see how long your arc has been on throughout the day, the week, the month, the year. So we're gonna go back. Arc intensity. This is gonna be one that you guys are gonna wanna look at here. So if you're having problems with it reacting to the lights around you and you feel like you're not getting a true sense of how much you're actually welding, you can go in here and just adjust the sensitivity to it. Most guys I feel like are going to want it on that heavy duty cycle. So, and then we go down here to arc timer. You can actually just turn it on and off. One thing to note from the best what we can tell, this arc timer, it actually won't affect the maintenance feature. So we're going to dive into the maintenance feature because that's one thing that I think is going to really make or break this specific helmet for people. I think some people are going to really love it, and some people, they're just going to probably go with the 2450 Advanced versus this. So if we go down to maintenance and diagnostics, we can look here and it's going to give you different options. So what this is doing is this is actually sensing how long your arc has been on, and then it's going to tell you when it's time to replace one of these things. So if we go to contact tip, so 5 out of 5 hours, because this is a brand new unit here, it hasn't been run yet, so it's going to say 5 out of 5. After this has been activated for a total of 5 hours, it is going to flash you a maintenance thing. It's going to be, if we go all the way back here to the main menu, it's going to be a little yellow triangle with an exclamation point. If you see that on your helmet, nothing's wrong. Your helmet's going to keep working. You just want to go into the menu and go into this maintenance right here, and then just see what it's trying to tell you to replace. I said it's going to tell you when it runs out. That's not actually fully true, because if we go down here, notification settings, you can tell you when to notify you. So if you want it when it's got 25% life left, 15, 10, 5. And then, so we have send lens cover, and then you can just reset it here. So that's the main feature on this that I sense that we're going to get some confusion about. We've already had some customers come in and ask us about that. So that's how you're going to reset it, and that's what that little triangle means. So then we can go into display settings here. You can change your brightness. Right now I have it on low. We can go to high. You're actually not using these two buttons to change that. You're using the up and down. So just like that. We'll turn it bright for right now. Screensaver, we can have it off. We can do Lincoln Electric logo, date and time, and then sleep timer, language, date, clock mode, time, time zone. You guys can kind of fiddle with that. It's pretty intuitive. And then certifications, where it shows you all the certifications this specific helmet has. So that's just a quick rundown of some of the in-depth features. Everything else, we can change our shade. You can change sensitivity, delay, all that stuff. You can really fine tune it. And then when you have it, you can go in here and set your different memories. Let me see. There you go. So, and then you can go in and change it like that. So how you're gonna change the actual memory is you're gonna go, so right now we're in memory slot 1. I'm gonna click it, and then I'm gonna change it to whatever, right there. Now I'm gonna just hold in, saving, and now boom. So now if I go to 2, we're at a different, and then 3. So that's how you're gonna make your changes to that. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this kind of overview we did of this. Like I said, the 2450 Advanced Series, honestly, solid flagship helmet. It's one of the GOATs for a reason. The Advanced Series, I think that a lot of people are gonna really like some of the features that are in here. Some people, they're gonna not want it that fancy, and they're gonna really like the 2450. One thing I gotta mention is we did try to use the app for this, and it was pretty buggy. It's a little bit difficult. It's a work in progress right now. If you're buying this mostly for the app, I would think twice, or maybe wait a little bit until they work out some of those bugs. But honestly, all of the core features of this helmet are easily adjustable in that main menu feature. So I wouldn't let that completely hold you back from getting this helmet, but just something to be honest and to think about right now. Otherwise, I'm pretty stoked. These things are awesome. Come check them out at Pure Cylinder Gases. Catch you on the next one.